And I've been vaccinated too, but I still just want to stay safe.
Long lines are forming for COVID testing and mask giveaways as new cases continue to rise. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Devin Bartolotta. Karen and Katie have the night off. COVID hospitalizations in the state have tripled in just 2 weeks. The Louisiana Department of Health released the latest COVID numbers today. As Erica Ferrando reports, the Omicron variant is spiking.
This line for masks and cleaning supplies proves COVID is once again top of mind.
I'm trying to stay very safe. As you see, I do have on 2 masks.
The Zulu Social Aid and Pleasure Club and the city held this mask giveaway Wednesday, and people were lined up on the sidewalk and in cars before it began.
Stay on the safe side.
We have to do what we have to do to take care of our people.
The spread is rising, and I just want to stay safe.
And as we are seeing more mask requirements put back in place, on Wednesday, New Orleans Public Libraries also gave away N95 masks.
I think the next couple of weeks are going to be rough from the fact that we're going to have a lot of people test positive.
The Louisiana Department of Health COVID map is now lit up in red, indicating almost the entire state is at a high risk for COVID spread.
None of this really should be surprising at this point, given what we kind of know about the Omicron variant.
Dr. Jeffrey Elder with LCMC Health says the Omicron variant is spreading quickly because it is very contagious and people have been gathering for the holidays. According to LDH, in the last day, 1 in 5 COVID tests have come back positive with nearly 9,400 new cases.
And that's a very quick uptick in positivity. We hope, as we've seen in places like South Africa, that while we see that uptick in positivity go very high, very fast, at some point we plateau and it comes back down very fast. That's the goal.
In the last day, 5 people in Louisiana have died. 659 people are currently hospitalized, a number that's tripled in 2 weeks. Even though hospitalizations have jumped, Dr. Elder says cases are not as severe as he's seen in the past.
That has to do probably with a lot of immunity that people have thanks to vaccinations.
As people plan to ring in the new year, Dr. Elder warns more large gatherings will only help COVID numbers climb.
I would ask people to avoid large groups, to mask up when you're around others that don't live in your household.
Some are already heeding that warning.
Isolation and just staying just to myself.
Erica Ferrando, Eyewitness News.